Hey guys!
We've been keeping a secret from you.
For the past 8 months, we've been working on something very special, and we can't wait to share it with you.
Welcome to Gardens on Green. Can't believe this is real.
I can't either. Okay, so about 8 months ago, when I was in between jobs and during my day job,
Yeah.
I was at home and I got an interesting message on the Instagram.
Yep.
From somebody who had been following us for quite a while. And he was just this very nice guy who owned a landscaping company, and I had followed him too and really loved his work. And I read this message, and he just said, "Hey, I really love what you guys are doing, and I'd love to talk to you more about an opportunity." And I thought nothing of it. I kind of thought like, well, I don't know. What is this? And I told Tyler about it. What did you think?
I mean, you never know what people are going to message you about on Instagram. And
Yeah.
so I was like, okay, sure. Why don't you talk to him? I was very busy that day. So I was like, just go sit outside on the back porch and talk to him.
Yes.
And I feel like after about 2 hours, Brian came inside and he looked like he had seen a ghost. And I was like, what?
Yeah.
And he was like, you're never going to believe what this conversation was about.
Yes. So we had him over to the garden, like Tyler said, and we just had the most, I don't know, impactful and maybe like serendipitous conversation
Yeah.
that I've ever had in my life. And he told me all about his dream of opening a garden shop and how he was planning to open one in Charlotte because it had just been something that he'd always wanted to do and he couldn't get it out of his brain. And he just wanted our ideas and he wanted to sort of run it by us. And
it was really like he thought our followers would enjoy it
Yeah.
and wanted to see, how we could market the shop together.
Yes, yeah. But what he didn't know is that we had just decided not to open a garden shop. So we were planning on opening a pop-up shop in Charlotte because we have just seen so many beautiful things in our travels, and we've curated a lot of really wonderful brands that we just don't really have available here locally.
Mhm.
And we thought like, okay, well, our dream is to open a garden shop. And so if we need to start at a pop-up, that could be really cool and it could be really fun. And
And then we talked about it further and just thought, it's going to be too much right now
Yeah.
for our life, and maybe we'll do it a few years down the road. But we had kind of just put the idea on the shelf.
Yes.
And then along came Hugh and said he was opening a garden shop.
Yes. So while he was in the garden chatting and he was telling me all about this crazy dream, all of these, my brain was just like exploding because I was like, this man has no idea that this is also my dream and that we have been talking about this for so long. And we've been wanting to do something for Charlotte in this area and just create something beautiful. And now wasn't our time, or at least we thought it wasn't our time.
Yeah.
And so my background is in marketing and advertising, and of course, I started peppering him with all of these questions about branding and just his plans for the shop, and did he have a name for it, and did he have a logo for it, and has he thought about brands, and all of these questions that I think that he needed somebody like me and like us to find the answers to, and the rest is history. So we came over here the next week and it was a pile of dirt. It looked nothing like it does now. And we sat with Hugh and we just looked at his blueprints. So Hugh has been in Charlotte for a very long time and he's done some beautiful work. A lot of homes in Charlotte that have very prestigious gardens and beautiful landscaping are his work. And it's just so interesting and so cool that he had the idea that he wanted to open a garden shop, but he wanted to open one that was very design forward and very landscaped, and the user experience, like the experience that you have walking through this space is so beautiful and interesting and inspiring. And I think that we could see that from the very beginning. So that first day that we sat with him and looked at the blueprints, I could just tell that this was going to be something that was so different.
Yeah.
And I think from that moment on, like we knew that we wanted to be involved and we were excited about it and just sort of leaned into the idea that, this was something we had always wanted, and this opportunity to be a part of it just sort of fell in our laps, and we're so thankful for it. So what came from there was a lot of work.
Yeah, we started coming over here once a week.
Yeah.
I wasn't able to come every week, but Brian was here every single week.
Yeah.
Honestly, just seeing Hugh kind of transform and adjust and tweak his blueprints for the outside for the garden design was
Yeah.
really cool to see.
Yeah, and I think also pushing him on just the ideas for the shop itself. And I think he didn't expect to have as much of an emphasis on the lifestyle part of the shop
Mm-hmm.
and the lifestyle part of the brand. And I think that came from us just being creative together and sort of like blue sky. Like
It just kind of flowed, I
Yeah.
think. Like it started as that, like this idea, and then it just kind of expanded into
Yeah.
what it is today and what it will be when we open.
Yeah. So from there, we did a lot of planning and we went to Atlanta Market, which you guys might remember. And we saw all of these gorgeous brands there, some of them that I had been wanting to see in person,
Mhm.
and these brands that I had sourced a long time ago that I have just been wanting to order or find somewhere that you just couldn't really get a hold of, honestly, in this area.
Yeah, in Charlotte, none of the brands that we have here have
Yeah.
been available to us, and we've seen them in other cities and
Yeah.
like in our travels, which is what inspired us to kind of bring them back here for the Charlotte community.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you're dying to see the shop, so let's show you around.
Okay, so from the first time we met Hugh, like I told you, he had the blueprint for this garden ready. I think he's been probably dreaming about this for a long time because we walked in and he rolled the blueprint out on this table. And I think we were just like, our minds were blown because every single part of the space is so well thought out and so well curated. And that really has everything to do with the rooms that he's created. So a lot of the garden shops I think that we've been to are not designed like this. They're really designed as like a very ready for retail experience. So all the plants go here, all the containers go here, and they're in lines by color, and all of the tools are inside, and all of the fertilizers are in one place, and the dirt's in the other place. And I think that the difference between that and this is that this is a really inspiring way to shop as a gardener and as even a landscape architect.
Sure.
You want something that matches your clients' personalities and your client's style. And I think every room that you designed in this space is a different style and fits a different person's unique perspective on how they want to garden and what they want their space to look like.
You know, the other night he was telling us he was walking a couple through the different rooms, and they very quickly said, I don't like this one, we love this one is okay. And that's what we want. We want people to be able to come and see different versions of gardens or rooms that they could maybe go home and create. And what you'll see here is that nothing here is on the scale of half an acre or a quarter acre.
Yep.
This could be, maybe you have a townhouse or a small condo and you just have a very little courtyard. Some of these rooms, you could just pick them up and put them right in your little courtyard and it would be perfect. So I think that's what's really inspiring to us, is just seeing the vision come to life of these different rooms. And when you walk through, you really get a sense of what your garden could be, and maybe even expose you to some styles that you like that you maybe never seen before. Okay, of all the rooms here at the shop, which one is your favorite?
So I think my favorite is actually the parterre garden. The parterre garden is sort of the entryway here at Gardens on Green.
It's like the first thing you see when you're pulling up.
Yes, as you pull up and walk into the garden shop, you just get this gorgeous vista, and you can walk straight through this parterre garden that's mirrored on four corners. And there are containers and beautiful obelisks that are painted in brand colors, which you know I love. And then you get the sign, and the shop is in the background, and it just looks so inspiring, and it looks like a space that as a gardener, I could go in and say, okay, I know exactly what I want to plant in this beautiful parterre garden. This is something that really inspires me because it's not something that I have now. It's also a little over the top. And I think that...
Totally. Especially with the obelisks that are a little oversized. It just gives you like a grand, but also formal feeling.
Yeah. So I think I like the parterre garden best.
Okay.
What about you?
My favorite is the fireplace.
Oh.
Because it just feels so cozy, and even though it's all white, it still just feels super cozy, and I feel like I could sit there all day and read a book.
Yeah.
And it really makes me want a fireplace in our backyard. But I don't know that we have room for that, so I'll just have to come here and get my inspiration.
I love
But
that.
all of the rooms are really beautiful, and I'm sure, as we do with our own garden, we'll change our minds on which one is our favorite from week to week.
Yeah, definitely. There's a beautiful little bistro area. There's a more modern room behind us that you can see where there's some turf that's integrated within some beautiful concrete detail.
It's really cool.
And it's gorgeous. And we have stunning containers. So there's sort of a parterre garden behind me that has beautiful Italian terracotta containers with palm trees inside, which is not something I think you see a lot of in Charlotte.
Yeah.
And that's, I think, why, like, when you come here, you're just wowed, and we're so excited to be a part of it. So why don't we go show you the garden shop?
So here in the garden shop, Hugh really gave us full creative liberty to do whatever we please with merchandising and where we wanted to put containers and all of the things that we're selling. So we came here one day and we were here from like 8 a.m. until 8 or 9 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
And we decked out this place, or should I say, Brian decked out this place. I was merely the assistant.
Yes, I think when I think of a garden shop, I also want a place that just has tons of stuff for the home too.
Yeah.
And so that includes coffee table books and beautiful candles and tabletop topiaries and beautiful indoor containers like Campo dei Fiori and Berg's Potter. There's just so many brands from our travels that we have sort of curated into this space that you see. And I think that it turned out so well. We worked so hard on it, like Tyler said, and it honestly is like a dream come true to even be able to source these kinds of products so that we ourselves have access to them, much less to provide that to the people that live around us and who travel here to come here and shop. And I think it's such an inspiring space, and that's something that we're so proud to have created.
Yeah.
But I think it's just the tip of the iceberg. I think that there's so much more to come. And I think that there's lots more beautiful products that we can source. And I'm already thinking of different things that we can incorporate into this space and really provide to the people around here. So it's just been such a fun thing to be a part of. We also brought the outdoors in, which is, I think, is so important. And there's beautiful large topiaries in here, and you'll find those outside as well. And like I said, tabletop topiaries. There's Coleus tabletop topiaries.
Yeah, we'll show you those a little bit in the greenhouse.
Yes. And so I think there's just so much in this space that we are going to be so excited to have in our own home ourselves, and so many people are going to come here and discover. So why don't we take you out to the greenhouse now and show you around. Okay, so now we are in the greenhouse, and I have to say, this was something that Hugh dreamed up last minute because he just thought these beautiful gardens need a beautiful greenhouse. And I'm so glad he did, because the space turned out so interesting. And you'll find beautiful tabletop topiaries out here. Like I was saying, we'd had some of inside. There's Campo dei Fiori. And then you'll also find a huge table behind me that we're planning on having events at and workshops. And I think we'll probably host some really great parties here. This greenhouse is just a glorious space to come hang out. And it's a great shopping experience too.
Yeah, lots of opportunity here. And again, just another space that feels super inspiring. We've got the tabletop topiaries behind us. There's a beautiful farm sink at the back.
Yeah.
Just really gets your mind going of what your own garden could be, and maybe how you could recreate something similar in your space.
Yeah.
And something Brian is obsessed with are the coleus in topiary form, which is something I had never seen before. He was literally freaking out when Hugh brought them back. So again, another unique find that we're gonna have here. You know, I wasn't anticipating this, but I do think the greenhouse is one of my favorite spaces here.
Oh, wow.
It just feels so modern and unexpected, and I'm obsessed with the light fixture behind. Just very inspiring.
Yeah, I can't wait to come in here in the evening with some string lights and have a glass of wine. I think this is going to be such a great space in this garden shop. All right, guys, so that is Gardens on Green, and we are so excited about this new venture. I can't even really believe that we are a part of this. It's a dream come true, and we officially open this weekend on Saturday, April 5th, and we cannot wait to meet you all. We'll be here walking around, shopping with you, and it's gonna be wonderful.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you right here in the gardens on Saturday.
Bye, guys.